My name is Eric Charbonneau. I work for Bull Moose Tube at the Casa Grande, Arizona facility, and I'm the plant manager. We partnered with Sweed for safety. I know when I had worked at one of the other facilities and I was a mill operator, I was familiar with Sweed and was pleased with the outcome of the Sweed chopper. So how the Sweed Scarf Chopper has increased safety is it lets the employee take the scarf off the tube directly into the chopper to where the old scrap winders, you actually had a winder that was rotating and you had to basically shove the scarf into that to get it to wind up for us to recycle it for scrap. If the scarf would break, you actually have to take the scarf and feed it back into the winder, and you have a chance of the other parts of the scarf catching your hand. If we had to purchase another scarf type system, we would choose Sweed just for the partnership that we already have with Sweed. For us at the Arizona plant, it is a very good safety tool for us, for the mill operators to feed the scarf into the chopper and not to have to deal with the winders. The chopped scarf that comes off the tube, we recycle that. It goes through the Sweed chopper, cuts it up, goes into a mag conveyor. From the mag conveyor, it goes into a scrap hopper, and it gets hauled off to get recycled.